Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can fix blank white desktop shortcut icons on your Windows. So just please watch this video and let's go quick into the process. So if any of the desktop shortcut icons right here is shown in a blank white, again if any of the desktop shortcut icons right here are shown in a blank white icon, then what you can do is first method in the Windows search bar, type here task manager best match. Go ahead and click on that. Now maximize this. Then here in the list of processes, you need to look for the Windows Explorer. So simply search for it in the Windows search bar, type Explorer, right click, and then simply click on restart. Once that is done, just simply close this window. Then for the second method is we are going to press the Windows key and our button together to open the run window. Or you can simply make a right click at the start button and click on run. Or simply search for run in the Windows search bar and click on it. And here you need to type up data. It's up data and click on OK. Now here you have this local, low, and roaming folders. If you cannot see these folders, click on this view, click on show, and click on the hidden items. And then once you find the local, double click. Then here in the list of folders, you need to look for the icon cache. So I cannot find the icon cache right here, but if you find the icon cache, just simply right click and then select delete. So if this is the icon cache, again, you need to look for the icon cache under the local folder and then select delete. Once that is done, just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And right after that, using the two methods, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.